So welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have almost done with the texturing of this particular railway station over here. So now what I'll be doing is I'll just select this stuff. I'll select this and I can just make a copy of it if needed. So I'll just go over here I'll just select this and you can just make any copies if needed. Slightly just shuffle over here. Select this. I'll just go into the material editor and let's assign some material to it. So let's go into this. Let's go into the slate material editor. It's opening. So let's take a Vray material. Now I'll just make it towards this color, slight roughness if required. I can give that. Now I'll just go over here. I'll select this all and let's delete it. Select this. Similarly over here as well. So let's just delete this. So I'll just duplicate it. In y-axis I'll make a copy of it over here. Let's select this and this and let's duplicate it. So let's go over here. So let's just make a copy of it. So we have to make this multiple copies for it. So I can just go over here. I'll group this. Again, make a copy. So let's keep on duplicating it. Alright. So let's keep on making the copies over here. First, alright. So let's just save the file once. Let's again go over here. So I'll just convert to editable poly. Let's select this polygons. Let's go into Vray material. Let's go into the bitmap and so go over here. And let's go back over here and let's just give any color to it. Sorry, let's go into this and give a UVW map. So let's just give the clock texture over here. Oops. So give a UVW map. So set it as a box over here. So I can just go over here. I can just flip it. So in whatever tiles you need to flip, you can easily flip it, or you do have this property as well. So let's just go into this. Have the option for flipping it, you can easily flip that. Alright, so we'll just keep it as it is, convert to poly. So similarly, if you need, we can just go over here and let's duplicate it over there. So let's make a copy over here in this way. So once this is done, let's select this basic elements. I'll just go over here, take a Vray material, I'll assign a bit of color to it. That's it. So we have already assigned all the materials over here, so nothing is left out over here. Okay, we can select this as well, go into this, and if you have any kind of a metal or something, you can just assign that in this way. So again I'll save the file. So we'll add some basic lights over here now. So what I can do is, let's go into this light and let's add a V-ray light or V-ray sun over here, right from the top in this way. Let's click OK. So I can just slightly drag it at one side over here, so go into this and let's give any color to it for the light. So this is going to be your first, the main key light. So main key light is going to be your sun, and let's increase the photon emit radius, so till where my light should emit, that can be used as photon emit radius over here. So let's see this. Oops. Okay, so I'll just off it, make it as standard for now. Let's go into rendering and let's click on render over here. Alright, so we'll reduce the light over here, so we can go into this and let's reduce the intensity of it. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.